determine the first three terms of the product. We've got a couple power series here. We're not given any formulas, although just based on the numbers we could guess. This seems like it's multiplying by -2 each time. It looks like the constants are just going down by 1 here. Okay. We're not going to make any assumptions, but we're also not interested in the full product. We just want the first three terms. Okay. So what could we do? Well, there's lots of ways to do this. I'm a fan of just sort of making a table, but I know there are other approaches. Okay. And we want the first three terms of the product, so we should be using the first three terms of our power series. So everything will continue on, but the degrees won't get higher. Or the degrees will get higher, and so eventually we will run out. Okay. It doesn't matter which one you put where. I think it's customary to put the first one on the top. Honestly, I don't remember what the custom is. It doesn't really matter. So we'll do 2 minus 4x plus 8x squared, and then it's minus yada yada yada. Okay, and then 5 plus 4x plus 3x squared, and they gave me the next one, 2x cubed. I'm not going to need it. Okay? Because the first three terms are going to be the constant term, the term with the x to the 1, and then x to the 2. So even if I had the 2x cubed here, multiplying it with this constant would be 4x cubed. That's already too big. It would not be useful. Okay. So now we just multiply. 10 minus 20x plus 40x squared plus 8x minus 16x plus 32, oh, this should be x squared, plus 32x cubed. Now I don't really need that one because it's going to be too high a degree, but that's okay. And then 6x squared, don't technically need the minus 12x cubed because, again, it's too big. And we could also say the 24x to the 4, but it's too big. Okay? So we're going to have 10, and then 8 minus 20, so negative 12. We can start writing this out. So the first few terms, 10 minus 12x, that's probably a plus, 40x minus 16x, well, x squared. So that's 24 plus another 6, that's going to be 30. Okay. And we just wanted the first three, so I don't really care. In fact, we don't have enough information to get the next term because they didn't give us enough of this power series. But that's okay. We still got the first three terms of our product. 10 minus 12x plus 30x squared.